Question: would you build a website for a major brand with more than 200 million users using Wix? Well, we did. Hi, I'm Sivan. I'm an R&D manager here at Wix. Today I want to show you how we use our own platform, creating some pretty complex functionalities that may surprise you. First, all of our web pages are built on Wix. They get a huge amount of traffic. Users that sign up to Wix come with all kinds of needs and goals. So to match them with the best solutions, we built an onboarding flow on the Wix editor using custom code. We also embedded a web component using the custom element feature. These can be developed in any client-side technology like React, Angular, Vue.js, your call. So what now? Push to production? Well, not just yet. That's where the release manager comes in handy. It's a built-in tool that allows you to gradually roll out new versions and test them safely. What about SEO? Go ahead. Google Website Builder, create a website, or any of the other 3,500 highly competitive non-branded keywords we compete for. Security? Done. No compromising there. Our whole business depends on it. So let's put it this way. You can do everything with Wix. See for yourself.
Okay, let's do it again.
Nope, we're done here.